Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create personalized equalizer for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by put your earbuds to your ears and then open Sony SoundConnect application. Then scroll down and go to device settings. And right here we have find your equalizer, click start and firstly hide the application because we need to play a favorite song. Let's say this is my favorite song. Okay, this one. Now we play it and then click next in the application. Then you have 5 presets. So tap on every of this preset and select the best one for you. I guess short one it's okay for me. Click next. And now you have again 5 presets, so click on it and select the best one. I guess 9 it's okay for me, and then click next. And now it make this, and you can also check with these presets or without. If you like it, click finish, or you can also retry. So finish and save. And now, as you can see, it's saved like a custom 2 preset. So if you will create your custom preset, I don't recommend it to use second preset. And now we have it, so if you wanna use it, just select custom preset. So right here at the main menu, you can just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!